And welcome back to my channel, Over the Hill with Bill. Now I'm going to give you a long-term review of the Halfords Advanced Tool Drawer System. I've owned the one on the right for 2 years, the bottom and the top. The one on the left there, the bottom one I've owned for a few months and the top one for a couple of years. I bought the top one there and those two there at the same time. As far as quality is concerned, they're quite nice. I've got to be honest about that. I found them to be very nice quality. The drawer systems, as far as I'm concerned, they're stiff, but I would prefer stiff than loose. I think anything which is loose, there can always be a problem with. So I'd rather have a stiff drawer. As you push it, they're meant to be soft close. They close. Now I have come across such as this drawer here, second drawer down, when you push it to close, it doesn't actually pull in. You have to give it a little push to push it in. So after a couple of years, I know there's a 3-year guarantee on them, but after a couple of years, that drawer is not doing what it's supposed to do. If you go to the new one here, you can see I still haven't even taken off the plastic. And open the second one, close it, that won't close either. So they're quite stiff to open, but once they close, they're okay. Now, I did have an issue with this one here that I purchased 2 years ago, that the bottom corner, just down here actually, it started to rust. Now, I contacted them and they came back and told me that they're not guaranteed against rust for obvious reasons, because you might keep them in a damp, wet conditions and therefore you'll more than likely have rust on them. However, mine were not kept in wet, damp conditions. Mine have always been kept in the dry and in good conditions. So I thought, fair enough, that's not a problem. I bought some anti-rust liquid from Halfords when I was there talking to them, and I put that on and it seems to have cured it. Now, I did have an issue with this, what they call a middle tool chest, where the lock started to rust just for no reason whatsoever, and I couldn't pull the key out. So I sprayed some lubricant into that, a water repellent and loosener, and it got it back to working where I could pull the key out. Again, I don't think that should have rusted. I don't know why it did rust. I've got a feeling that with that bottom one there, I think the cat came along and sprayed over that corner part there. So that's not a problem. But overall, the tool chests are quite nice. I'm happy with them. I must be, because I went out and bought another one from them. Even after I'd spoken to them about the one on the right there with the rust and that middle drawer, middle section with the rusty key section. But apart from that, I have found them to be good. As you can see, if you look after something, it will remain quite well. The top section is quite nice. It opens up nice and slow, and it closes nicely. So overall, yes, I'm happy with the Halfords Advanced. Their warranty is only for the drawers and it's only for 3 years. So if you do have an issue with them, which I did on that right hand one, but I had a little mess around with it and sorted it out myself. The ball bearing had fallen out, but the ball bearing was still in there. I just put it back into where it should be and it worked back as normal. However, I could have taken it back, but to be honest with you, that just isn't in my nature. I'm quite able to sort something out. Now, you are supposed to keep them lubricated every year, so you have to do a little bit of maintenance on them. I would take them out the drawer and spray a lubricant like WD-40, that type of lubricant, or even a little bit of grease, and you should be good to go. So overall, with the Halfords Advanced Drawer System, I'll give that a thumbs up and I'm quite happy with them. Thanks.